funny, it was just cold and now it's hot. It happened the other day too when I was driving down the road. I don't understand what's going on. Or do I? I do. It's a very common problem on this Buick Encore. It's one of the top 5 problems we're going to talk about. So let's do this. Problem number 1 is under the hood on this Buick Encore, right around there. You're driving down the street, you got your high mileage Buick Encore, you got low power, you're trying to get on that highway, you can't get out of your own way. You might be popping a code P0299, and that has to do with low performance, low power. Check your oil, make sure it's at level, and then replace your turbo, because that's the problem with this car, most likely. While we're under the hood, let's talk about problem number 2. You got a rough idle, maybe you got some oil consumption. It has to do with the valve cover and the PCV valve. So GM redesigned their valve cover with an integrated PCV valve, and we carry it. So hop online to 1A Auto and order it. Replace it, and you should be on your way. So here we are underneath the car for problem number 3, the catalytic converter. If you're getting an intermittent code of PO420, it's probably your catalytic converter. You want to check your O2 wires though, make sure the connections are good, make sure you don't have any burnt wires or exhaust leaks. If you do, fix those. If you don't, replace your catalytic converter, which can get destroyed if you don't take care of problem number 1 and problem number 2, which we already talked about. All right, so we talked about problem number 4. It's the AC. It goes off and on. It's cold, it's hot, it's annoying. It's a pretty simple fix. It's the temp sensors. It's not the compressor. It's not a major leak. It's nothing that's like a nightmare. Get it checked out. Make sure it's not leaking. But most of the time, it's just a temp sensor. Problem number 5. This car's got a recall on their seatbelt pretensioner airbag system. So you're going to call up the local dealer. You're going to have your VIN number ready. And you are going to get whatever information you need from them, and they're going to fix it up.